Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the channel. I am Dr. Mujahid Buneri. I have started video series on most common type of MCQs in surgery. This is the second video. If you have not gone through the first video of this series, the link is given in the description. Okay, let's start. Number 11 MCQ is most common type of shoulder dislocation is A. Anterior, B. Posterior, C. Inferior, D. Superior. You have 5 seconds. Write your answer in comment section. Okay, the correct option is option A. So, most common type of shoulder dislocation is anterior dislocation. Move on to the next question. Most commonly fractured vertebrae are A. Cervical, B. Thoracic, C. Lumbar, D. Sacral. Drop your answers. Okay. Correct option for question 12 is option C, which is lumbar vertebrae. Now, move on to the next question. Most commonly dislocated vertebrae are A. Cervical, B. Thoracic, C. Lumbar, D. Sacral. Okay, the correct answer is A. Most commonly dislocated vertebrae are cervical vertebrae. Okay, next question. Most common tumor arising from anterior mediastinum. Options are germ cell tumor, thymoma, thyroid tumor, and neurogenic tumor. Give your answer quick. Okay, the correct option is B, which is thymoma. Next question. Most common tumor of posterior mediastinum is A. Germ cell tumor, B. Thymoma, C. Thyroid tumor, D. Neurogenic tumor. Okay, the correct answer is D. Neurogenic tumor. Anterior mediastinum, thymoma, and posterior mediastinum, neurogenic tumor. Next question. Most commonly nerve injured during tracheostomy is A. External branch of superior laryngeal nerve, B. Recurrent laryngeal nerve, C. Anterior vagal nerve, D. Phrenic nerve. The correct option is B. Recurrent laryngeal nerve. Move on to the next question. Most common nerve injured during thyroidectomy is A. external branch of superior laryngeal nerve, B. recurrent laryngeal nerve, C. anterior vagal nerve, and D. phrenic nerve. The right answer for this question is option A, which is external branch of superior laryngeal nerve. Next question. Most commonly bleeding in thyroidectomy is from A. superior thyroid artery, B. inferior thyroid artery, C. superior thyroid vein, D. inferior thyroid vein. Give your answer in comment section. The correct answer for this question is option D, inferior thyroid vein. Okay, next question. Most common type of elbow dislocation is A. anterior, B. posterior dislocation, C. inferior dislocation, D. superior dislocation. The right answer is B, posterior dislocation. Most common shoulder dislocation is anterior dislocation, and most common elbow dislocation is posterior dislocation. Okay, now let me take you to the last question. Most common primary malignant bone tumor is A. osteosarcoma, B. chondrosarcoma, C. multiple myeloma, D. giant cell tumor. The correct answer is option C, which is multiple myeloma. This was all about today's session. Thanks for watching.